Hello, my name is Tom Tomac. I'm the VP GM of Bartelt, a division of Promoc. We're located in Florida, and we build horizontal form, fill, and seal machines. Our current version that we're offering here is the Mag R, which uses the Beckhoff linear track. What makes us unique is that we have a fully integrated auto splicer that is ours. And from there, we transition into a Delta punch system that's true registration. We only require 2 punches to run in registration. If you change pouch width, you don't have to mechanically change anything. It automatically does that via recipe changes. From there, we transition into a web tension system. The web tension system allows us to actually maintain tension from the feed rolls up to the other set of feed rolls. It allows us to run paper, poly, and foil. It allows us to run recycle ready film, all the time maintaining tension and constant testing. We move into the seal driver array, and from the seal driver array, we have independent driven arrays, which allows us to do registration correction on the fly. We don't have to stop the machine and make adjustments and then restart. It's all on the fly. And that's important as you're running film through and making sure your seals are in the proper spot all the time, every time. As we transition further down, we have what's called a Delta punch. We have a hole punch. That hole punch, we only require 1 for simplex, duplex, and triplex. The hole punch is in registration all the time, every time as well. We don't require you to stop the machine to move the hole punch. It does it on the fly as we're making pouches. Then as we transition into the fill and seal section, here we're demonstrating our IP69K fill and seal, where it's a true washdown system, so you can run frozen foods as well as shredded cheese. From there, we're demonstrating our magnetic clamps, which don't require springs. So there's no maintenance that are required on our clamps, and that's patent pending. As we transition further, we're transitioning into where we have a unique design where the clamps go around a radius. And those clamps, when we get into the fill section, we can actually vibrate and make sure the product settles as it gets into the pouch. The other thing we can do with the linear track without having a bunch of mechanical features is as we enter into the lance area where you introduce nitrogen into the pouch, we can also shake there and get the O2 levels out and get the nitrogen down in the pouch, which gives us stellar O2 levels. We offer 4 different variations of the Mag series with the Beckhoff track. We offer IP65 as well as IP69K. We have a Mag R, a Mag L, a Mag B, and a Mag D, which gives us the capability to run anywhere from 75 pouches a minute all the way up to 300 pouches a minute. It also gives us the flexibility to run simplex, duplex, and triplex with quick changeover. We went with the Beckhoff track because we had the IP69K version, which is a true washdown version, and we have this IP65 version. The Eco line is another version that's coming out with Beckhoff that allow us to run even more price-sensitive areas. We trialed a couple other linear tracks, and this is the best one for the group. Thank you for your time.